So our topic is informal letter. You can just note down this topic. And what is informal letter? What is the difference between formal letter and informal letter? Please tell me and raise your hand if you know. Yes,
Yes,
Gauri.
ma'am. Yes, ma'am. The informal letters are the letters that are written to our friends and relatives, and and formal letters are the letters that are written to like for business purpose and for other office work.
Yes, exactly. So informal letters are the letters that we write to our friends, relatives, neighbors, okay? And the formal letters are the one which are written for office use, like principal ma'am, okay? Letter to editor, police station, okay? So these type of letters are called formal letters. Now, this is the definition. You will write this definition in your fair notebook. Informal letters are written to friends, family, relatives, etc. So I will just stay on one slide for 1 to 2 minutes so that you can note down. So please note it down, and I can ask anyone in the class to show notebook whether you are writing or not, just to check. So informal letters are written to friends, family, relatives, etc. So I'm waiting for 30 seconds. You can note down this.
Ma'am, we have to write it in fair or not?
You have to write in fair, beta.
Okay.
So this was the definition. This is the first thing you will write in your fair notebook. Informal letters are written to friends, family, relatives, etc. Now I'm moving to the format. Now you will help me to write format. Okay. So first line, what should I write? So
Yes, ma'am.
yes, Ipsa, first line, beta.
Ma'am, first sender's address.
Yes, sender. And who's the sender?
Ma'am, they are friends, family, or relatives.
They are the senders. Are you sure?
Ma'am, no. Ma'am, we.
Yes, we are the senders. The person who's writing the letter is the sender. Here you will write your address. Okay, in the next line, Ipsa.
Ma'am, in the next we will write city.
Yes, in the next line you will city. You will write city. Sorry. So sender's address, then city. Okay, and then
Ma'am, we have to leave one line.
okay, we have to leave one line. Then
Date.
date. Okay, sender's address, city. Leave one line. Date. Then
Ma'am, then again leave one line, and then we have to write dear from name of the friend,
okay.
family, or relatives.
So date, before date and after date, you have to leave one line. Then you have to write salutation. Salutation means a dear dash to whom you are writing letter. You just write his or her name. This part is called salutation. So sender's address, then city, leave one line date, again leave one line, then dear dash. This is called salutation. Okay, well done. Next one is Savya. Savya, body of the letter.
Ma'am, 3 paragraphs is to be written.
Yes, body of the letter, 3 paragraphs should be written. So in the first paragraph, you are supposed to write the introduction. You have to greet the person to whom you are writing the letter. Hello, how are you? ठीक है, उसका हालचाल पूछ लो. Then you can write the purpose, reason why you writing letter. And this time, please don't write that I am writing this letter to tell you. Always you people write this thing. Now this time you have to find out something different. Like suppose you are writing a letter to tell your friend about new house. You will write, Hello, how are you? I'm fine and I hope you're sailing in the same boat. Guess what? We have shifted to a new house. I'm very happy and I want to share my feelings with you in this letter. So like this, you will share the purpose of the letter. You will write the reason. Why are you writing this letter? Don't write this thing. I want to tell you because you people always write this thing. So the second one is main topic. In the second paragraph, you will discuss the main topic, detailed topic. Okay. So you can take 9 to 10 lines easily in this paragraph. And the last one is conclusion. Again, don't write simple line, pay my regards. I try to add something. Okay. Again, you have bought a new house. In the conclusion, you can say that I can't wait to see you in my new house. Okay. So please come with your family to see my just sweet home. Okay. I'm waiting for you. Then pay my regards. So this is the conclusion part. Now ending. Yes, Akshara. How to end the letter?
Ma'am, we will leave a line and write yours lovingly and name.
Yes. So this is a complete format from the beginning to ending. I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. आराम से उसको लिख लो, ठीक है? I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. Then I will ask 2-3 students to show me your notebook. Please show me thumbs up as soon as you complete this format. Okay then, well done. Now I'm moving to the question. You have to note down the question now. The question is, write a letter to your friend apologizing him or her for being rude. So maybe at school or maybe you met your friend somewhere and you were a little bit rude with him or her. Maybe you were upset. So you have to write a letter to your friend apologizing him. You have to say sorry and you have to explain, ठीक है, your feeling, you have to share your feelings, that why you were rude, you have to explain the whole thing. So write a letter to your friend apologizing him or her for being rude. Note down the question. Again, I'm waiting for 1 minute. Okay, I hope you have written. Now I request Ananya. Ananya, please show me your notebook, beta, where you have written format. Okay, fine, beta. I can see it. Well done. Okay. Next one is, there are so many students. Please, beta, turn on your video. Raghav, where are you? Raghav. Jasmeet, Tanvi, Karthik. So I have feeling that I'm teaching to a black curtain. There is something black in front of me. I'm just teaching to them. and there are only few students, बस 5-6 students हैं जिनको मैं पढ़ा रही हूँ. Yes, Sarang? Sarang, please show me the question where you have written this question and format also. Yes, Sarang. Sarang, in your camera, please show me the format. If you can't hear me, this means that you are not listening to my any thing that I think I should then remove you. You can just join the meeting again. If you can't hear me. Karthik, have you written format and question?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, where is Gurnoor? Where are you, beta? Aditya. Yes, Gurnoor, please show me the format. Aditya also, together.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, Gurnoor, it's fine, beta. Yes, it's fine. So, Aditya, where are you? I've lost. Okay, fine. So, well done, all of you. So, I will ask you time to time, okay, these type of things. Now, let's write this letter. So, who will help me to write the upper that format? Who will help me? Yes, Devang, please tell me how to write it. Then I will write side by side. And you people also, please write it, beta, everyone. Yes.
First we will address.
Tell me one address, beta. You have to tell me each and everything.
Ma'am, 80 Gada, ma'am.
80?
Gada.
Okay. Okay,
Jalandhar city.
I will write road also. Okay. Then Jalandhar city. T should be capital. Then,
Ma'am, leave one line.
okay, then
Date, ma'am, date is
15.
15 July 2021.
15 July 2021. Okay, then
Dear Madhav.
dear Madhav. So, okay, Madhav is the person to whom you spoke rudely today. Okay, so he's going to write letter to Madhav, an apology letter. So, this is the upper format. Now, you people will make the first paragraph, okay? And very smartly make the first paragraph. Don't write the same thing that you have been writing since I think class 3. I want to tell you in this letter, don't write this thing. Try to find some creative way to write the first paragraph. So I'm giving you 1 to 2 minutes. You can raise your hand as soon as you complete your first paragraph. Okay, I'm giving you 1 minute. Your time starts now. Harmeet, any question?
यस मैम. मैम जो फॉर्मेट में है, हमने डियर के बाद लाइन छोड़नी है.
No need, beta. You can simply start first paragraph immediately after dear Madhav. That's optional. Okay.
ओके मैम.
So next is Mitarthi. Mitarthi, you're raising your hand. Yes, beta.
Ma'am, I have done my first paragraph.
Okay, you can speak up. Mitarthi, I think you muted yourself. And one thing, beta, to all the student, make sure please don't use the internet language. I just, come to know in just 1 second. So try to make your line. Please don't speak up internet lines here, okay? Yes, Mitarthi, first paragraph.
Are you? I am fine and hope you are also doing well. In this pandemic, take care of you and your family. I am such a silly girl who is always rude. This letter is a apologize for my rudeness.
Okay. I'm a silly girl. What did you say? I'm such a silly girl.
I am such a silly girl who is always rude.
Acha, who is always rude? Okay. Okay. In place of always, you can say that I'm such a silly girl that sometimes, okay, I'm rude, and then after that I realize my mistake. Okay, well done. So next is Jasveen. Jasveen, you can speak up the first paragraph if you have written. Beta, unmute.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Hello, how are you? I am fine here. I hope my this letter finds you in pink of your health and high spirits. The motive of writing my today's letter is for apologizing from you about to being rude.
Okay, the motive of writing this letter is to apologize, okay, for being rude. Okay, that is different line finally. Okay, fine. Well done. Yes, Harmeet, first paragraph. And others also, please raise your hand, beta.
Ma'am, I am writing.
Okay, you are
Ma'am,
writing.
I am writing.
Okay. So anyone else, if you have written, please raise your hand. I'm waiting for you. You can just speak up the first paragraph. You can raise your hand. And those who have spoken already first paragraph, now start writing your second paragraph. Write in detail, okay, what happened, why that thing happened, okay, and next time in future, the promise that I will not, repeat this thing. So all the things in at least 10 to 12 lines. But I am waiting for first paragraph only.
मैम मुझे ना वो क्वेश्चन में डाउट है कि मैंने क्वेश्चन ठीक लिखा है या नहीं, एक बार एक क्वेश्चन वाली स्लाइड दिखा दो.
Question, beta. Okay, I'll speak up the question. Write a letter to your friend apologizing him or her for being rude. Okay.
Okay. Thank you.
So Savya and Karthik are ready for with their first paragraph. So Savya, then Karthik. Yes, Savya, please speak up.
Hello, how are you? I hope you are in pink of your health and in high spirits. Have you recognized me, your friend? I am writing this letter for apologizing you as I became rude.
Okay, fine. So, okay, have you recognized me? I'm still your friend, okay? Being rude once will never, okay, fine, Savya. Okay, yes, Karthik.
Yes, ma'am. Hello. You know we are best friends since a long time. So today I know you are feeling very sad because I spoke rudely with you. But after speaking rudely with you, I also felt guilty all the way. So today I have written this letter to apologize you for being rude with.
Okay, well done. So after speaking, otherwise all the things are correct. So after speaking, okay? Okay, well done. Next is Harmeet. Are you ready now?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, and other students
Hello.
also,
How
please
are
wake
you?
up, bache. Other students also. Yes, Harmeet.
Hello, how are you? I am fine. I hope you are in your pink of your health and in high spirits. I am such a bad friend of you. I got rude sometime and I am writing you this letter to apologizing for being rude today in morning.
Okay, so yes, so I hope you are fine. You are sailing in the same boat after writing this. Yes, I am. Maybe I'm not I'm not a perfect person, okay, because I get rude sometime. But it doesn't mean that I don't care for you. So I did mistake. I know. So in this letter, I will apologize you and I will tell you the reason that why I was so rude. Okay, Harmeet, well done. So next, Twitter. Anyone else? Okay, for just 30 seconds, I will wait. Then we'll move to the second paragraph. So, Shubh, yes, Shubh.
Yes, ma'am. Hello, how are you? I am fine. Hope you will be also in the pink of your health and in high spirits. The meaning of writing this letter is to apologizing you for being rude. Our friendship will not cut after being rude only one time.
Okay. So, for being rude for one time should not affect our friendship. So, in this letter, I will tell you the whole thing that why I was so rude. Okay, fine, well done. Next is Jasmeet. Yes, Vita.
Hello, how are you? I hope you are doing well and good. I am writing this letter to apologize for being rude.
Okay, so Jasmeet, second line, better try to find something different. Otherwise, it's correct. In exam, if you will write this, obviously I will give you marks, but try to write something different, okay? Otherwise, it's correct. So, hello, how are you? I hope you are fine. Then something different. Now I'm giving you 2 minutes or 1 to 2 minutes for writing second paragraph. In this paragraph, you have to write the whole thing, okay? You have to explain each and everything. I'm giving you, you can just simply write hints and after that, after the class, you can write in your fear. अभी आप सिर्फ hints लिख लो ताकि आप class में you can speak, ठीक है? So Mitarthi, I think you spoke first paragraph. Anyone else who's left? No, I think I have given chance to everyone. Now Mitarthi, I think wants to speak second paragraph, but after 1 minute, better. I just want to give 1 minute to each and every child to think about it. And your time starts now. Yes, Mitarthi, please start better.
Let me tell you the real incident for me to being rude to you. Today, I was in a fight with my brother. As you know, my brother is really irritating. By mistake, I deleted his important work. That was the reason of a fight which really turned to a dangerous. My father came and scolded me for my mistake. I was really upset. Even my father, when was dropping me to school, he was scolding me and my brother was smiling. On the time, I was filled with anger, which can burst any time. Then you came and started talking to me, which reminds me of my brother. So I became rude to you. Sometime I realized, after some time, I realized my mistake. I'm really sorry that you have to listen such bad things from me. That was all my fault. I'm really apologizing to you for my bottom of my heart. Please forgive me. You are my best friend. I can't live without talking to you. Please forgive for my mistake.
Okay, well done, Mitarthi. So nicely written. Just one or two grammatical errors were there. Otherwise, well done. Okay. So if I in the first line, better repeat the first line. There was, I think, mistake in the first line maybe. So repeat your first line.
Let me, let me tell you the real incident for me to being rude to you.
Okay, this is correct. Second line.
Today I was in a fight with my brother.
Okay, today I had a fight with my brother. Okay, I had. Okay, fine. So well done. So he irritated me a lot when I was just coming to school. My father, kept on scolding me and he was teasing me. Okay, he was laughing at me. My brother was laughing at me. So I was so upset and I was so frustrated. And when you met me, okay, so I spoke rudely with you. Okay, so well done, nice idea and nicely concluded. So in the end of the second paragraph, she wrote a very nice line, a very sweet gesture that I can't live without you. Tika, you are my best friend. So please forgive me. And in future, obviously, I shall be careful. Tika? Okay. Anyone else who has written? Please speak up, Vita, if you have written. No need to write the full paragraph in the class. You can simply write the hints and then you can speak up. And how much time is left, by the way? So I'm going to unmute all. You can just say excuse me and you can start speaking your second paragraph. Devang, do you want to speak?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, speak up better.
मैम ये लिख सकते हैं और मतलब जैसे मैंने लेके लास्ट संडे का आइडिया लिया है जैसे
Yes,
संडे
yes,
को
yes.
मैंने
Yes, you can write better. Last Sunday.
on that day I was not well. On that day I was. Ma'am, can I just read that first?
Okay, fine. You can. Okay, yes, Shubh, now you can try better. Okay, Shubh is also thinking. Raghav. Beta, your voice is not audible properly. Speak up loudly. No,
Ma'am?
voice is not audible. Okay, Shubh, finally. Shubh, now after Shubh, anyone can unmute. Yes, please.
Excuse me, ma'am. Excuse me, ma'am.
Writing.
Okay, Shubh, you can write. Yes, Savya?
Ma'am, we have to write second paragraph in first form or second form?
Beta, if you are just discussing about your rude behavior, then you have to write past tense. And if you are promising about future, then obviously you have to write future tense. Okay? So it depends on the lines. Which lines you are writing, it depends on that. So whenever you are ready, please raise your hand. There are some students who are not participating actively today. I don't know what has happened. So raise your hand, I'm waiting. Mitarthi, how much time is left?
Ma'am, 5 minutes, 4 minutes.
Okay, 4 minutes only. Okay. Okay, then I'm giving you hints. Here you can write that I know today I committed a mistake. Okay? I know I hurt you badly today. Okay? You were so happy and you met me with enthusiasm, or you met me with full excitement, but I know I hurt you. Okay? I was upset because when I woke up, okay, my mother scolded me for waking up so late. Okay? Then I missed my bus also. Then my father had to drop me to school and he also scolded me on the way. Okay? So I was so upset, and when you met me, I just spoke rudely. Okay? So you can just explain the incident, or you can say I didn't perform well in the test. Okay? I got less marks, so I was frustrated. This is one of the reasons. So you can write any one reason. Okay, then you have to promise your friend that you will not do this thing in future. Then some sweet lines like Mitarthi said, that you are the best friend, you always understand me. I know that this time also you will understand my problem. That okay, so I can't live without you. You have to forgive me, otherwise I will come to your house, okay, to say sorry. So these type of lines, so you have to make 9 to 10 lines at least. Then in the third paragraph, so please make third paragraph because nobody has made second paragraph except Mitarthi. So now make third paragraph. And again, Mitarthi, I think she's raising hand. Yes, Pita, third paragraph.
Hope you forgive me. Why don't you visit my house? I'll treat you a pastry for my rudeness. Take care of yourself, but don't forget to bring your sanitizer with you. Take care of yourself in this pandemic. Your lovingly, Mitarthi.
Okay, so Mitarthi now अब थोड़ी रिश्वत देने की कोशिश कर रही है. Now she wants that कि okay, I will give you pastry. I think you said pastry. Okay, so you can will just serve you pizza, pastry, burger, whatever you want. Please come to my house and please forgive me this time. I will just fulfill all your wishes. So yes, try to say these type of things to your friend so that वो पढ़ते ही आपको माफ कर दे, ठीक है? So this is your third paragraph. Okay, well done, Mitarthi. So clap for Mitarthi from my side because she's the one who just spoke the whole letter. Okay, time to time. So well done, Mitharthi. So anyone else, if you want to share your views, you can. Otherwise, I have to leave this meeting. And your homework is you have to write this letter in your fear notebook. And tomorrow we are going to do one grammar topic. The easy one, I think, transitive, intransitive verb, that we'll do tomorrow. So I'm going to show you the slides again. If you have missed anything, you can just note down. So this was the first slide. Informal letters are written to friends, family, relatives, etc. This was the first slide. Then we discussed the format, sender's address, city, date, salutation, 3 paragraphs, then yours lovingly, name. This was the format. I hope you have written. Now then I gave you one question, write a letter to your friend apologizing him or her for being rude. And we discussed the letter. Now what you have to do, you have to write in your fear. So I request Chehek to take the screenshots before leaving this meeting. Chehek, are you there?
Ma'am, I have done with it.
Okay, fine, beta, fine. So Shubh, you can speak quickly before leaving this meeting. Yes, beta.
Yes, ma'am. On that day, I was very angry and frightened because I was scolded by my mother for slapping my sister. Then you came to my house and start talking with me. I was upset on that time. I speak I speak rudely to you because my mood was not good. I promise you that it will never happen in future. We are like brothers and we both can never live without each other. I hope you can understand my feelings.
Okay, Shubh, well done. Yes, beta, whenever you are discussing the incident, write second form. Take a speak की जगह spoke. So these type of things you have to keep in mind. Otherwise, well done. Okay. Now I'm leaving the meeting. Tomorrow we'll do one grammar work. Okay. Take care, beta. Bye.